How to add API integrations in BASE44 apps backend. Want to connect external services to your BASE44 app? Let's walk through adding API integrations step by step. So, first and foremost, go ahead and log into your BASE44 dashboard, and then from here, head over into the Apps tab. Now, on the Apps tab, you'll be able to find the list of projects you've generated with BASE44. So, go ahead and select that specific project where you want to add API integrations to. Now from here, go ahead and head over into the dashboard tab. So that will take you into the section and then select integrations from here. Now to add integrations into your applications, you need to upgrade your plan into a premium plan to be able to integrate it. So if you already have upgraded your accounts plan, you can go ahead and select a pre-built connector like Stripe or Stack or choose custom API integration if your service isn't listed. Enter your API key, OAuth token, or client credentials. Store sensitive data in environment variables for security. Add a base URL and endpoints like get users or post orders. Configure headers such as authorization and content type. Use Base44's mapping tools to connect API responses to your app's backend models. For example, map user ID or user object. Run test calls directly from the backend. Track logs for response codes, and adjust payloads if needed. Deploy your app and monitor API performance in the dashboard. Set alerts for failed calls, and that's it. You've added an API integration to your Base44 backend. Now your app can connect seamlessly to external services, and that is how you can basically add API integrations in Base44 apps backend.